Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about kiwi fruits. And I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with kiwi fruits. So if you're looking for something a little different to do with kiwi, especially this holiday season, hopefully this will help you out. In the proteins category, including legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have almonds, beef, believe it or not, cashews, chicken, fish, hazelnuts, macadamia nuts, nuts in general, pistachios, poppy seeds, pork, seafood, and walnuts. In the way of vegetables that go well with kiwi fruits, there's celery and celery root, cucumbers, greens, especially baby greens like you might put in a salad, jicama, kale, radishes, and zucchini. In the way of other fruits that go well with kiwis, there's apples, avocados, bananas, berries, cherries, citrus fruits of all types, coconut, grapefruit, grapes, guava, lemons, limes, lychees, mangoes, melons of all types, oranges, papayas, passion fruit, peaches, persimmons, pineapples, pomegranates, raspberries, star fruits, strawberries, and watermelon. In the way of grains and grain products, we have breakfast cereals in particular. In the dairy and non-dairy foods categories, there's cream, cream cheese, ice cream, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there's brown rice syrup, chocolate, honey, kirsch, maple syrup, rum, sugar, vinegar, especially balsamic vinegar, wine, especially sparkling wine like champagne wine or any type of sweet wine. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.